Want passive income? Clickbank affiliate marketing might be your answer. Imagine earning money while you sleep. That's the power of passive income. Top Clickbank affiliates are doing just that. They're making serious bank, proving this isn't a pipe dream. These aren't tech geniuses or marketing gurus. They're regular people who cracked the code. They found profitable products, marketed them effectively, and built sustainable income streams. You can too. Clickbank is a platform brimming with opportunity. It's time to stop dreaming and start earning. Ready to unlock your earning potential? Let's dive in. Clickbank is an affiliate marketing platform that has revolutionized the way people earn money online. It connects product creators with affiliates like you, creating a seamless ecosystem where everyone benefits. You promote products, drive sales, and earn commissions. Simple as that. Here's how it works. First, choose a product that aligns with your interests and expertise. Clickbank offers thousands of digital products across various niches, from health and wellness to finance and self-improvement. Find one that excites you and resonates with your audience. The more passionate you are about the product, the easier it will be to promote. Next, get your affiliate link. This is a unique URL that tracks all the sales you generate. This unique link tracks your sales, ensuring you get credit for every purchase made through it. Then, it's time to promote. Share your link through various channels like websites, social media, email newsletters, and even paid advertising. The more visibility your link gets, the higher your chances of making sales. When someone buys through your link, you get paid a commission. The beauty of Clickbank? It's low risk, high reward, no product creation, no customer support. You don't have to worry about inventory, shipping, or handling returns. Just pure marketing and earning potential. Focus on what you do best, connecting with your audience and driving traffic to your affiliate links. Sounds good? Keep reading to discover more tips and strategies to maximize your earnings with Clickbank affiliate marketing. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, there's always something new to learn. Dive in and start your journey to passive income today.
Clickbank affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Like any business, it has challenges. Beginners often struggle with choosing the wrong products. Picking unprofitable products leads to wasted effort. Ineffective marketing is another issue. Simply sharing links won't cut it. You need strategic promotion and lack of patience. Building a profitable income stream takes time and consistent effort.
Don't get discouraged. These challenges are surmountable. With the right knowledge and strategies, you can overcome them and achieve success. Let's explore some solutions. Section 4. Winning formulas. Choosing products and crafting content. In this section, we will delve into the essential strategies that can make or break your success on Clickbank. From selecting the right products to crafting compelling content, every step is crucial. Product selection and content creation are key to Clickbank's success. The products you choose to promote and the content you create around them will determine your effectiveness as an affiliate marketer. Here's how to nail them. First, let's talk about product selection. This is the foundation of your affiliate marketing strategy. Without the right products, even the best content won't convert.
Choosing products. High gravity indicates strong sales and affiliate interest. When you see a product with high gravity, it means that many affiliates are successfully promoting it, which is a good sign of its potential. Recurring commissions allow you to earn passive income from subscriptions. This means that you can continue to earn money from a single customer over time, which is ideal for building a sustainable income stream. And strong vendor support is crucial. Look for vendors who provide marketing materials. These materials can include banners, email swipes, and other promotional tools that can make your job much easier.
Creating content. Provide value by offering helpful information related to the product. Your content should educate, inform, and solve problems for your audience. This builds trust and positions you as an authority in your niche. Build trust by being authentic and transparent in your recommendations. People can tell when you're being genuine, and this authenticity can significantly boost your conversion rates. And don't forget to use a call to action to encourage your audience to click your affiliate link. A clear and compelling call to action can guide your audience on what to do next, increasing the likelihood of conversions.
Remember, quality trumps quantity. It's better to have a few pieces of high-quality content than a lot of mediocre content. High-quality content is more likely to engage your audience and convert them into customers. Focus on promoting a few products you believe in and create high-quality content that converts. By concentrating your efforts on a select number of products, you can create more detailed and persuasive content, which can lead to higher conversion rates. Continuously analyze your performance metrics and adjust your strategies based on data insights. This will help you understand what works and what doesn't, allowing you to optimize your efforts for better results. Learn from successful affiliate marketers and engage with the community. Sharing experiences and best practices can provide valuable insights and help you avoid common pitfalls. Achieving success on Clickbank is a journey that involves strategic product selection and content creation. Stay committed, keep learning, and adapt to changes in the market to continually improve your results. To recap, choose products with high gravity, look for recurring commissions, and ensure strong vendor support. Create valuable, authentic content. Use clear calls to action, and focus on quality over quantity. Analyze your performance and learn from others to refine your approach. Now, it's time to put these strategies into action. Start by selecting a few promising products, create high-quality content, and continuously optimize your efforts. With dedication and the right approach, you can achieve success on Clickbank.
Section 5. Clickbank Champion, a success story to inspire. Meet Sarah, a stay-at-home mom who wanted financial freedom. She had always dreamed of being able to contribute to her family's income while still being present for her children. The idea of working from home and having the flexibility to manage her own schedule was incredibly appealing to her. One day, while browsing the internet, she discovered Clickbank, a platform that offered a plethora of opportunities for earning online income through affiliate marketing. Intrigued by the potential, she decided to give it a shot, despite having no prior experience in online business.
Initially, she struggled. The world of online marketing was vast and complex, and Sarah found herself overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information and the steep learning curve. She chose low-quality products, and her marketing efforts fell flat. Her initial attempts to promote these products did not yield the results she had hoped for, and she faced numerous setbacks and disappointments. But Sarah didn't give up. She was determined to make this work, not just for herself, but for her family. She knew that giving up was not an option. She invested in her education, learned from her mistakes, and refined her approach. Sarah took online courses, attended webinars, and read countless articles and books on affiliate marketing. She absorbed as much knowledge as she could and applied it to her business.
She found a niche she was passionate about and started creating valuable content. Sarah realized that in order to succeed, she needed to focus on a specific area that she was genuinely interested in and knowledgeable about. She began to create high-quality content that provided real value to her audience. Slowly but surely, her efforts paid off. Her content started to gain traction, and she began to build a loyal following. People appreciated the value she was providing and started to trust her recommendations. Her website traffic grew, and she started making consistent sales. As more and more people visited her site and engaged with her content, her sales began to increase steadily. The hard work and dedication she had put into her business were finally starting to bear fruit.
Today, Sarah earns a full-time income from Clickbank, all while being her own boss and setting her own hours. She has achieved the financial freedom she had always dreamed of and is able to provide for her family while still being there for her children.
Sarah's story is a testament to the power of perseverance and strategic action. Her journey was not easy, but her determination and willingness to learn and adapt allowed her to overcome the challenges she faced. If she can do it, so can you. Sarah's success story serves as an inspiration to anyone looking to achieve financial freedom through online business. With the right mindset, dedication, and a willingness to learn, you too can turn your dreams into reality. Section 6. The long game: consistency, patience, and learning for affiliate victory. Clickbank success doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistency, patience, and continuous learning.
Consistency. Promote your products regularly. Don't give up after a few setbacks. Patience. It takes time to build an audience and generate traffic. Continuous learning. Stay updated on the latest marketing trends and strategies.
Treat your Clickbank journey like a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused, stay consistent, and the results will follow. Section 7. Your Clickbank journey starts now. Embrace the challenge. Clickbank affiliate marketing offers a real opportunity to achieve financial freedom. It's not easy, but it is achievable.
Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Start by choosing a niche you're passionate about. Research profitable products and create high-quality content.
Be consistent, patient, and never stop learning. Your Clickbank journey starts now. Embrace the challenge and unlock your earning potential.